how to make a new email account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can create a new email account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, instead of asking which email account you need to create, you have to understand for which service you want to create an email account, because there are many email services: AOL Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, OneMail, Gmail, and many other mailing services are out there. It also really depends upon what kind of mailing services that you want to create. So let's say I want to create a Gmail account. You can simply open up your browser and then you simply want to go to this website where it says gmail.com. If you want to create a Yahoo account, go to yahoo.com. If you want to create a Hotmail account, go to hotmail.com. If you want to create AOL account, go to aol.com, depending upon where you want to create and what kind of account you want to create. Depending upon whichever mailing services account that you want to create over here, you simply want to select them here in this case. And then first of all, if you are logged in, I want you to first of all sign out, right? So I'm just going to sign out of a specific account here. Once you sign out, if you want to create a new account, click on the sign in option, and then it will ask you to simply create a new account here. So it says use another account, and then just select create an account button. Make sure to simply enter your full name, your new Yahoo email that you want to use in this case, and then you can enter a password, enter your birthday and everything else. And once you're done, you should be good to go from there onwards, and then you'll be able to successfully create your Yahoo account. This way you can basically create a account on email or a new email account, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have to use Yahoo. You can open up Hotmail or whatever else you prefer. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.